We were wondering what the eroded carving was depicting, and after almost 2 hours of brainstorming, it struck to us that it was the famous incidents of Lord Krishna instructing Arjun to start the war. That was the carving that had to be recreated. The step one in the process of recreating history was to create a drawing of 1:1 scale, clearly depicting the incidents of Lord Krishna instructing Arjun. The entire carving was recreated using this drawing. If you happen to visit Wagh Mandir, you would realize that the entire structure is exquisitely carved and ornamentally decorated in stone masonry. We had to recreate the damaged stone ornamental features at several locations. We had to really find out artists and carvers from Rajasthan who were specialized in human figures and specialized in animal figures. Mind you, they do have an expertise within the same. So we had to recreate several birds and animal carvings and also human figures throughout the structure and within the temple too. Also, the main dome at the height of almost 36 meters had original painted ceiling with organic paints. We had to source out vegetable paints and repaint the entire dome from the underside and the idols seen therein.